Hello, my name is Haley Engel, and this video is for my ANP2 lab Module 2 assignment on blood. The purpose of this assignment was to label the 4 parts of blood and discuss their function and the type of cells that are found in each. The first one that I'm going to discuss is the erythrocytes, or red blood cells. Red blood cells are typically used for the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. It makes up about 44% of our total blood volume, and they contain hemoglobin, which is the actual oxygen binding protein, and that is what helps transport oxygen throughout the body. There is both oxyhemoglobin, which is oxygenated, and deoxyhemoglobin. The next portion is leukocytes, which is found right here. Leukocytes are actually the white blood cells, and the white blood cells are bigger than the structure of red blood cells. There are 2 different types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes typically they appear to have multiple nucleuses, however they have a single nucleus with multiple lobes, whereas the agranulocytes visibly have one single nucleus. The 3 types of granulocytes are neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. And the 2 types of agranulocytes are lymphocytes and monocytes. White blood cells make up approximately 1% of the blood, and the next portion is platelets. Platelets also make up about 1% of the blood. Platelets are used in clotting. They have all of the clotting factors and enzymes found within there. They are not true cells, but they are pieces of cells surrounded by a plasma membrane. The next portion is the plasma. Plasma is about 90% water, which helps the blood to be transported through the body more easily. There are plasma proteins found in the plasma as well, which make up about 9% of the plasma. Those include albumin, immune proteins, transport proteins, clotting proteins. The clotting proteins obviously help with blood clotting. Transport proteins bind and transport molecules through the blood. Immune proteins are produced by white blood cells, and they help with the immunity. There are other factors found in plasma as well, which actually make up less than 1% of the plasma. Those include ions, which are useful in the electrolyte balance and the acid base homeostasis. Also are small amounts of oxygen or carbon dioxide, oxygen that is delivered to the tissues of the body, and carbon dioxide that'll be exhaled by the lungs. Also, glucose and amino acids are found here in the plasma as well. Plasmas is the, like I said, makes up about 55% of the makeup of blood.